Today I'm going to connect my Yamaha PSR-e453 to Logic Pro on the iPad. We're going to need a USB cable, a USB-C adapter like this, or another USB-C adapter like this. This is a multi-port one. And then we connect to the iPad. We connect the USB cable one end to the keyboard, and we connect the other end to the adapter. And this message will pop up and you click just headphone. And then on the keyboard, we need to change some setting. We're going to function, and you find the function 52 where it says local, and you turn it off. That way you're not gonna send any audio out of the keyboard, but only MIDI signal. This keyboard also works as an audio interface, so you're gonna need those adapters if you don't have a cable with these plugs, so you can listen to whatever you play. No need any extra audio interface. And on Logic Pro, we create a new project. I'm gonna click Tracks, and then you go to Settings and you find MIDI, and just make sure the keyboard is there. It recognizes as digital keyboard. Also on the audio, if you want to use it as audio interface, you can just make sure the keyboard is selected. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.